Hello viewers, welcome back. Today I'm going to explain exercise 2.3, a factorization of polynomials of class 9 NCERT mathematics. Let us continue with the question number 2. Question number 1 I have explained in the previous video. If you are not yet watched, just go back to my YouTube channel and learn that and come back to this video. So you need to determine whether the given factors, that is g of x. Here g of x means a factor is a factor of p of x for the both the cases. For the first problem, the polynomial given is p of x is equal to 2x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 1. So g of x is equal to x plus 1 is a factor. You need to know the factor here. X plus 1 is equal to 0. Substitute x plus 1 is equal to 0 and x is equal to minus 1. Substitute the value of x is equal to minus 1 in the given polynomial and the remainder becomes 0. Then we can call it as the given g of x is a factor of p of x. So that's a simple way to analyze the problem. Substitute wherever x is there, substitute the value of x is minus 1 plus minus 1 square minus 2 into minus 1 minus 1. So since it is 3 times, it is minus 1 into minus 2 is minus 2 plus 1 minus into minus is plus 2 minus 1. So it becomes minus 2 and plus 2 gets cancelled, 1 and minus 1 get cancelled. You can say 3 minus 3 also. That way also you can able to understand the answer is 0. Since the answer is 0, we can say the g of x is a factor of given p of x. Second problem, p of x is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Here substitute x plus 1 is equal to 0, x plus 2 is equal to 0. If you take 2 this side, it will become minus x is equal to minus 2. Check whether x is equal to minus 2. If you substitute the given polynomial, if the remainder becomes 0, again it's a factor. So same rule for all the problems. Minus 2 cube plus 3 into minus 2 square plus 3 into minus 2 plus 1. So minus into minus is minus. 2 cube is 8. Minus into minus is plus. 2 square is 4. So that is 3 into 4. 3 into minus 2 is minus 6 plus 1. So minus 8 plus 12 minus 6 plus 1. So it becomes minus 8 minus 6 is minus 14 plus 12 plus 1 is plus 13. So minus 1. So you observe here it becomes minus 1. So what it indicates, if it is minus 1 which is not equal to 0, so we can call this question, for this question we can say g of x is not a factor of given p of x. Next problem, given p of x is equal to x cube minus 4x square plus x plus 6, and the factor given here is x minus 3 is equal to 0 and x is equal to 3. Substitute the value of 3 in the given equation. P of 3 is equal to 3 cube minus 4 into 3 square plus 3 plus 6. So 3 cube is 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 minus 4 into 9 plus 9. So if you add these two, it becomes 9. So 27 minus 36 plus 9. 27 plus 9 is plus 36. 36 minus 36 becomes 0. So we can say given g of x is a factor of the given polynomial p of x. So this is how you simplify the given equation. Here for all the cases you need to take one factor, that is x minus 1. If x minus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, because minus 1 comes this side, it will become positive. So substitute x is equal to 1 in the given equation. So let us see how it happens. P of 1 is equal to 1 square plus 1 plus k. 1 square is 1 plus 1 plus k, that is 2 plus k. So how to find out here what is the value of k? Just go back to my previous video where where in the factors theorem we can say if you want to find out any variable or any constant here, you need to substitute, the remainder becomes 0. Because since factor is equal to 0, the remainder also becomes 0. That is, substitute p of 1 is equal to 0 in the given equation, in the above equation. It becomes 2 plus k is equal to 0, k is equal to minus 2. So this is the value of k. If you substitute in this equation and x is equal to 1, it becomes 0. It's a reverse engineering. The next problem, again the same one, x is equal to 1, you substitute in the given equation, p of 1 is equal to, this is the second problem and this is the first problem, 2 into 1 square plus k into 1 plus root 2. So 1 square is 1, 2 into 1 is 2, plus k into 1 is k plus root 2. So 2 plus k plus root 2 is an equation where we need to find out the value of k. Again, from the remainder theorem, substitute p of 1 is equal to 0. It becomes 2 plus k plus root 2 is equal to 0. K is equal to, if you take this side, it becomes minus root 2 and minus 2. Minus 2 and minus root 2 are the values for k in this case. Next problem, again x is equal to 1, you substitute for all the problems. The same problem continues here. So third problem, p of 1 is equal to k into 1 square minus root 2 into 1 plus 1. So k into 1 is k minus root 2 plus 1. This is the given equation. Again, substitute p of 1 is equal to 0. It becomes k minus root 2 plus 1 is equal to 0. You take these two this side, it becomes opposite sign, root 2 minus 1. So k is equal to root 2 minus 1 is the answer for the third problem. Fourth problem also, substitute x is equal to 1. It becomes p of 1 is equal to k into 1 square plus 3 into 1 plus k. So there are two k's here. So k into 1 square is k plus 3 into 1 is 3. So I just change the sign here because it is negative in the given problem. So 3 plus k. So plus k and plus k becomes 2k minus 3. And this is equation number 1. Substitute. Same thing you need to continue for all the problems. So 2k plus, 2k minus 3 is equal to 0. 2k is equal to minus 3 becomes plus 3 when come to this side. K is equal to 3 divided by 2. So this is the answer for the fourth problem. Next, you need to factorize. I think you already know in your previous classes what is how to factorize. If you don't know, I just explained from the basics. So in the given problem, you need to factorize. So you need to find out the factors. So for the first problem, that is 12x square minus 7x plus 1. You know how to find out the factors. So you need to know 12x square into 1 is 12x square. I'll write down here. Just go back to your previous knowledge that you need to split the middle term. So if you add it, it becomes minus 7x. If you subtract or if you multiply it, it becomes 12x square. So what are those two factors? So it is none other than 4 and 3. So now coming back to the 4x and 3x, if you add it and there is a sign, negative sign here, you need to take negatives. And if you multiply these two, it becomes positive. Since minus and minus multiplies with plus, so 4x into 3x is 12x square. So these two are the splitting of 7x. These two are the splitting of middle terms. So 12x square minus 4x minus 3x plus 1. If you split the 7x like this and take down 4x common factor here in these two, it becomes 4x into 3x is 12x square. So minus 1. And again, you take minus 1 here, common factor, it becomes 3x minus 1. See, my thing is I need to take out the same factors because to take a common factor in the next step. So here 3x minus 1 is a factor. Here also if you take minus 1, 3x minus 1 is a factor. So in these two equations, in these two parameters, 3x minus 1 is a common. Take out 3x minus 1 outside, it becomes 4x. Remaining things are 4x minus 1. So these two are the factors for a given problem. Second problem, 2x square plus 7x plus 3. Again, you need to multiply these two. 2x square plus 3 is 6x square. So again, go back to the middle term. You need to split the middle term so that if you add the factors, it becomes 7x. If you multiply the factors, it becomes 6x square. So the best suitable factor is 6 and 1. So 6x and 1x. If you add it 6x plus 1x, it becomes 7x. 6x into 1x is 6x square. So 2x square plus 6x plus 1x means x plus 3. And now you take out 2x common from the first two terms. It becomes x plus 3. Again, if you take 1 common, it becomes x plus 3. So in these two parameters, x plus 3 is a common. The remaining thing is 2x and 1 plus 1. So these two are the factors for the given equation. Let us try with the third one. That is 6x square plus 5x minus 6. Again 6x square into 6 is minus 36x square. So let us try with the two factors which if you add it, it becomes plus 5x, and if you multiply it, it becomes minus 36x square. The best factor is 9 into 4. So 9 4 is 9 into 4 means 36, and you substitute the value of x here, 9x and 4x, and if you becomes it becomes plus 5x, you need to put negative for this. So 9x minus 4x is plus 5x, and you multiply this, it becomes minus, since it is having only 1 minus. 9 4s are 36, x into x is x square. So these are the best factors suitable for this problem. 6x square plus 9x minus 4x minus 6. Here you take x, 3x as common. It becomes 3x into 2x is 6x square plus 3. 3x into 3 is 9x minus 2 common. Again it becomes 2x plus 3. See, my intention is to have same factors in both the cases. So 2 into 2x is minus 4x, minus 2 into plus 3 is minus 6. So 2x plus 3 take outside, and the remaining thing is 3x minus 2. So these are the factors which are the answers for this question. Next one, 3x square minus x minus 4. So 3 4s are 12. 12x square, you need to find out, split the middle term. For 12x square, you need to do the factor 4x and 3x. 4 3s are 12, so plus is there. Again here you need to have a minus x, so substitute minus here, and it is again negative sign. I have forgot to put negative here because my 3x square minus 4 is minus 12x square. So it becomes 3x square plus 4x minus 3x minus 4. So take x common here. It becomes 3x plus 4. So take I think take plus 1 common here. 3x. I have just mm, so so I think so it becomes minus x. You need to put minus for this, not for this. So I sorry to interrupt here. So if it becomes minus x, you need to put minus for this and plus for this. So that's it. That is where I have like made a mistake. Again, it becomes minus. So it becomes plus and it becomes minus. See, one step if you miss, it will become hectic. So 3x minus 4 take outside, it becomes x plus 1. So these two are the factors for this given equation. I'll repeat once again. If you add it, it becomes minus. So if I take here minus, it will become plus x. So just now I just changed it, and you just practice, so make it perfect. So thank you so much. If you have any doubts, just go to comment section and just drop a message. I hope all of you understood. Please share, like, comment, and subscribe to get more videos. Thank you.